nxT Virtual Innovation Lab empowers healthcare providers and innovators, particularly those serving underserved populations, to accelerate impactful solutions through generative AI-powered tools that eliminate bureaucracy, streamline workflows, and enable safe, rapid innovation.
So let's see how the Virtual Innovation Lab works. It's already available in 5 languages. We're going to start with in Spanish since our year one target population is Latin America and the Caribbean area. So here is the Virtual Innovation Lab. It is being set in a way that you can work in your electronic health record or you can play with the Virtual Innovation Lab just at a click of a button. So I am going to walk you through the electronic health record, very simplistic, very clean, which most electronic health record today is very clunky. This dashboard just show me as a clinician with opening tasks for myself. I can go to one of these tasks, like how many visits I have and so on and so forth. But I can log in directly to the electronic health record, see the first patient. I'm not going to get through all this because it's very standard. It's very clean and simplistic. Now, how many are today? Now, this is the electronic health record as I'm working with, but the innovation lab allows you to also go and play, right? And with the end user in mind. So the end user that is actually utilizing, let's say, the electronic health record and this particular doctor, provider, or front desk, they want to test out a new innovation. So instead of going through the entire process that is wasting so much energy today, me as an end user, I say, okay, I'm a clinician. I want to create a data population that is very similar to, let's say, I'm a cardiologist to my cardiologist patient. So since I see just adults, I click just the adult population, any gender. Since I'm a Hispanic doctor and I'm practicing a Hispanic area, go to Hispanic. Let's say I'm looking for low income folks that are living in the rural area. They have chronic diseases with a sedentary lifestyle. So when I click here, it generates, in this case, 132 records that I can now upload these patient records. Very easy, just downloading the CSV and upload it directly, or I can use our builder. The builder is a simplistic way to connecting tools. So let's say with the creator data doc, what I want to do is bring the creator data doc to the electronic health record to try Gina, which is a screening genetic solution because it's a new tool that I want to try it out. So I select this, and this is an actual organization that is already within the innovation lab. I click build now, and then the wizard will take me in the step by step on creating these three tools. Now, another tool that is very popular so far within the pilots is the clinician companion. So the clinician companion, you can select again, protecting patient data. Let's say in this case, a female patient that is about 25 years old that comes with headaches. And I'm doing this in English because it's easier for me. But let's say it has headaches with sensitivity to light for 3 days. This is what the patient is saying. Now, in my findings, I said vital signs are normal. I asked for if I have taken any medication for the headaches. I said over the counter medications are not responding, and that's the reason why she came to make the visit. So when I click to acquire diagnostic, now what the tool is doing is going to the large language model, which we have been training, utilizing RAG and providing various medical diagnosis and treatment tools. And here it comes and give the five top possible diagnostic. In this case, it says migraine, 75% is a big one. So it gave the rationale to the doctor. It gave what kind of lab work it can do. In this case, there's no. If there is any imaging necessary, then it says when to use it and then what will be the follow-up protocol. It tells the doctor a statement that this is just a support diagnosis tool. Is their final decision. They confirm, they provide the feedback, and you can see why it's so popular. Now, the Innovation Lab provide access to assisting technology and emerging technology. And as you can see, in a really simplistic way, the doctors in this case, clinicians, but anyone in the clinical setting, they can try out without going through the full process through that it takes 3 6 months. One of the things that we're working on is a library of uh, of training and medical journals that it can be customized, like a personal knowledge management for the doctors and also the executive companion. The executive companion is going to be a very interesting tool because it will allow that after you go through all this stuff, it will create an executive summary of the results and send it to the executive responsible to finally make the decision. Uh, and that's nxT Innovation Lab. I hope you can find it as useful and great as we're finding the solution to be for practitioners. And in this way, we're democratizing innovation to a population that do not often have the resources to try out tools in a very fast manner.